Water backing up into your sink is the worst, right? Like, here's how you can actually fix it without calling a plumber every time. So, first off, if water's just chilling in your sink and not draining, chances are you've got a clog somewhere downstream. You want to start by clearing that clog. Grab a plunger or a drain snake and give it a good go. Sometimes it's just hair or soap gunk messing things up. Also, don't forget about the vent pipe on your roof. If that gets blocked by leaves or debris, it can cause slow drainage or backups because air can't flow properly through the pipes. So, if plunging doesn't work, check the vent pipe safely, of course. Or get someone to do it for you. Another quick tip, avoid pouring grease or oil down your sink because that stuff hardens and clogs your pipes over time. And if you notice gurgling sounds when water drains, that's usually a sign the vent pipe needs attention. Regularly running hot water down your drains after use helps keep things flowing smoothly too. Lastly, keep a simple drain cleaner handy but avoid harsh chemicals since they can damage your pipes. One of the biggest mistakes people make with sink backups is ignoring slow draining water. Waiting too long just makes the clog worse. Fix this by acting fast with a plunger or drain snake when you first notice the issue. Another common problem is overlooking the vent pipe blockage. Many don't realize this can cause backup issues, so always check the vent system if plunging doesn't help. Also, people often pour grease or food scraps down their sinks, which is a quick way to cause major blockages, so just don't do it and use a drain strainer instead. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. At the same time, it helps contractors find real work from people nearby, making the whole fixing process way smoother for everyone.